Hey guys, welcome to Red 50. Thank you for tuning into another video. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. So in today's video, we've got an interesting mod for my Mustang GT. We are finally adding some GT500 parts on my 2019 Mustang GT. It's been a while since I've done a mod on this channel, so here we have it finally. I want to do an unboxing video right now, and then I'll be doing an installing video as well and giving you my impression on how it looks and how it fits. If you haven't guessed it already, it has to do with the rear end of the Mustang, and specifically the spoiler. This has to go. So let's do some unboxing, see how it looks. I've been pretty much okay with the stock spoiler, but seeing all these Mach 1 GT500 spoilers, I feel like I had to get one, and seeing a lot of fitment issues in some of them. So we're gonna unbox and see how it came out, because some of the vendors are selling these with paint defects. I'm hoping that's not the case for mine. Let's go and check it out. Isn't that a convenient place for the stock exhaust? Well, here's the spoiler right now. It's actually pretty light, so we'll see what the quality is gonna be. All right, so we've got our box cutter right here. Get this opened up and go to town. Alright guys, so we've got the GT500 Mach 1 spoiler right here. To say it's much lighter than I expected. Okay, this is pretty much plastic as opposed to the OEM Ford GT500 spoiler. I'll leave the link in the description below if you guys want to check this out. The quality so far, I don't see any. There's one tiny little scratch here. Actually no, it's just a smudge, so it comes off. No paint overrun that I can see based on that. The back of it, you can kind of see it's painted a little funny here, but no one's really gonna be able to see this spot, so I think I'm not that concerned with it. It's a nice gloss black finish. I know some people like to go for the matte black, but I like them. So it does come with the 3M tape if you don't have your spoiler on your stock Mustang, so you can use the 3M tape. I wouldn't suggest it because it's very light based on what I can tell. So these will go on this side. Yeah, so one each side. There it is. So this will go here, and this one will be right here. You do have some addition promoter as well, so it's probably those alcohol pads you can use. So I'm probably still gonna put the 3M tape here, but I am gonna use the screws here. The review said they pretty much line up, so I have to see. I do see, I mean, from all the videos I've seen, they seem to line up on the stock one over there. So I'm really excited to be putting out the GT500 spoiler or the Mach 1 spoiler on my 2019 Mustang GT. I'll probably be doing it very soon, so be on the lookout for the installation video and, you know, the review of the GT500 spoiler. Let's do like a test fit actually to see how it would really look. Fit fits perfectly. Looks really aggressive. I don't have the gurney flap. I probably could get that attachment, but just as a test fit, I'm actually liking the look. If it doesn't fall on me, yeah, I could get used to that. It looks a lot more aggressive, matches the gloss black finish paint on this, on my stock spoiler. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below if you think I should get the gurney flap attachment with this as well. I may need to get a chin spoiler on the front because I feel like with the aggressive spoiler on the back, it's gonna look a little bit tame on the front. So once I put it on, I'll make the decision on that. Comment below if the guarding flap is something I should be doing.